beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. So today we are going to be installing and I'm going to be reviewing this wig by Outre, and it's called it's their melted hairline lace front wig. So here is the wig card. Pretty much it tells you everything that's on the wig and all the details about it. So I'm going to read it to you to go over some details. I am going to just show you guys right here what it looks like. But pretty much it is, this style is Natalia or DR, which might stand for dark copper orange. It is true to color, so they do have like 5 colors. They have like the color lineup right here. They have 5 different colors. And I chose to get this copper color because it's kind of like a good time to wear this color. Any time of year is a good time to wear this color, but it's beautiful. What else can I tell you about it? It does have baby hairs included. It says it's soft Swiss lace, and it has a pre-attached wide elastic band, which it does come with the band inside. Also, it says redesigned for comfort ear discomfort. So if you have discomfort in the ear area, they did do some adjustments, and I will do a review on that and see if that's actually true, because sometimes the bands do irritate you on the ear right here. So they're saying that they did fix that. I bought this wig a long time ago, but I've been doing a lot of partnerships. So I haven't had the time to actually install any hair that I've purchased or anything like that. So you guys, this is gonna be a real cool wig. I cannot wait to review this wig. It's already very pretty. So let's get started putting this on. I can put all the information down in the description box and also give you the information as to where I got this wig. If I can recall, I think this wig was between $40 and $60, but don't quote me on that. I will put that down in the description box so you can go check this unit out. I know these wigs are very, very popular. I did a wig from this line, I believe, when I first started my YouTube channel. So you guys should go check that video out. I will link that down below as well. And yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to put this in. I'm so happy I can start doing my videos again. I want to do a lot of stuff on my channel. And I want to show you guys my personality. I want you guys to get to know me because I haven't got to really interact with you guys. And I want you guys to comment too. You don't ever comment down below. I want to talk to you. I want to get to know what you guys like, what kind of content you want me to create. So please put that down in the comment section below. So yeah, let's get started with this hair. I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm in lighting so you guys can see that the hair is pretty vibrant. It's very, very pretty. And this is the inside of the unit. It does have combs on the sides and also in the nape area. And it does have that adjustable band, and it does have the straps back here where you can adjust it to however you want. I will tell you, I did try this wig on my head and it fits very comfortable. It's already tight. I don't have to adjust it or anything. My head circumference is like a 22-inch. So if you have 22-inch size head, you won't have to worry about this not fitting you at all. I know some people say like the wig is a little bit too small for them, but this wig fit perfect. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on. Also, this is the scalp. This is how it's looking. You guys, very natural. So you don't have to do any plucking on it. I'm not going to pluck this unit at all. I'm just going to style it. I'm going to put some makeup on, actually on here. I'm not going to put makeup on my cap. I'm just going to put makeup on here, and we are going to install this hair. Okay, guys, so I have the wig on. I was playing with it a little bit, but pretty much it's very, very beautiful. It's been in a box for a while. It's been sitting there, so you know how hair does. But I really do like this color a lot. So I'm just combing through it a little bit. I'm not gonna really even do much to manipulate the hair. It is like a T part, so I am gonna probably do a little bit with the hairline. Might do it half up, half down. Oh, that's real cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm just gonna put my spray on here. You guys already know how I roll. So yeah, let me go get that and I'll be back. Okay, I'm all set. Put my spray on. Sorry you hear Cocomella in the background. My kids, trying to keep them occupied while I do this video.
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
Okay, guys, this is how the hair is looking. The hairline, it is a little dense. I'm gonna put some baby hairs to make it look less dense. And you can pluck it if you want to. I don't feel like plucking, so I'm not going to. So I'm just gonna part out my sections where I want my baby hairs. And I'm gonna start laying them in a minute.
Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but
Alright, beautiful. So my final thoughts on this hair is that it is very beautiful. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's very easy to style, very easy to maintain, and also very easy to apply. So as you can see in my video, I only used my bed head to put this wig on, and you guys, it's very secure. I have the combs attached on the side. I put those in just for more security, and you really don't even need those because it has the band, and like I told you, it's a very snug and tight fit. The hair is easy to manipulate, so you can just put a little bit of baby hairs and it makes the hairline pop. You don't need to pluck this unit if you're not good at plucking, or if you don't want to pluck, like I chose not to, and it still looks super good with or without baby hair. I love how vibrant this color is. It's giving me SZA vibes, you guys. I love this color so very much. It's really pretty, and I'm just in love with this unit overall. I'm really having fun with it, and I'm just adding this to another great synthetic collection that I have. As you know, before, if you are part of my channel, I did do a few units from Hair So Fly Shop. I forget the name, but I did buy a few units from them, and then this is one of them. I have Bobbi Boss as well, and you cannot get any better than these hairlines. I don't know how these synthetic wigs are looking bomb like this. I really do not get it. So you guys, yeah, that's it for today's video. This is pretty much gonna be the final look and how the hair came out. I don't have any trouble. I'm not having any trouble with this hair so far. I had it in for a few days, and the bed head is still on and it's laying down really great. If you guys have any questions, or if you would like an update on this hair, please let me know and I can do a follow-up video. But that is it for today, you guys. If you like today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to put your notifications on because I do post very often. But that is it, beautiful. This is it. She is popping. She is it. All right, you guys, I will see you next time in the next video. It's always my pleasure. Bye.
I'm out to be and live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life, taking just